Welcome back to the Knight Gambit TV. If you love chess tactics, brilliant sacrifices, and mind-blowing checkmates, you're in the right place.
Ruy Lopez.
e4, e5, knight f3, knight c6, bishop b5.
This section deals with the two systems. 1. Janus Gambit. 2. Arkhangelski variation. Janus Gambit.
e4, e5, knight f3, knight c6, bishop b5, f5.
This gambit was introduced into practice by the Russian master Janus. It is quite a rare continuation in the Ruy Lopez, however, it leads to a full-fledged struggle where black has good counter chances. In modern practice, black implements it in those cases when he is trying to avoid the Spanish torture of the main classical variations of the Ruy Lopez and strives for sharper play.
f5.
The following continuations are quite harmless for black.
E takes f5, e4,
And
bishop takes c6, d takes c6, knight takes e5, queen d4, knight f3, queen takes e4, check, queen e2.
whilst the position occurring after white sacrifices a piece.
d4, f takes e4, knight takes e5, knight takes e5, d takes e5, c6, knight c3, c takes b5, knight takes e4, d5, e takes d6, knight f6.
Is also considered to be satisfactory for black.
d3.
One of the most tranquil variations of the Janus Gambit. White is not trying to refute his opponent's aggressive strategy right away. Instead, white wants to smoothly develop his pieces.
F takes e4.
After the white pawn has taken the e4 square under control, black must reckon with the possible capture e4 x f5, so he discharges the pawn tension in the center.
D takes e4, knight f6, short castle, d6, knight c3, bishop e7, bishop c4.
White tries quite naturally to hamper black's kingside castling by weakening the a2-8 diagonal.
Bishop g4, bishop e3, queen d7, a3, h6.
So long as black controls the semi-opened f-file, he prepares some activity on the kingside, including a g7 gram5 advance. Meanwhile, the black king finds itself quite comfortable in the center because the position is closed.
Bishop e2, g5, knight d2, bishop e6, bishop c4, knight d8.
The black knight is ready to be transferred to the d4 square after the possible exchange on e6, while the black c-pawn can control the d5 square from c6.
Queen e2, c6, rook a d1, b5, bishop b3, knight f7, rook f e1, h5, knight f3, rook g8.
With a strong position in the center, black can start a planned attack on the kingside.
Rook d2, bishop takes b3, c takes b3, queen e6, b4, knight g4, rook c2, knight takes e3, queen takes e3, g4, knight d2, bishop d8.
By this outstanding maneuver, black engages his bishop in the kingside attack.
Knight d1, bishop b6, queen e2, king d7, knight e3, h4, knight d f1, g3.
The maneuvering part of the game is over. Black opens up files on the kingside.
F takes g3, h takes g3, knight takes g3, rook takes g3, h takes g3, knight h6, queen d3, knight g4, rook c5, rook h8, knight takes g4, queen takes g4, rook f1, king e7.
0-1, Nejmetdinov Rashid, Kolmov Ratmir D, Baku 1961 CHURS.